guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error code VAN152 in your Valorant. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error code 152 in your Valorant while playing, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first step is you just need to click on start menu, then type here services.msc. Click on services. In this you need to find VGC. Just press V key and find here VGC. I had not installed the Valorant, so it's not showing here. If this is your VGC, just right click on that, click on properties. Here you can see startup type. If it is manual or disable, you just need to select automatic. After that, just click on apply, click on start, then click OK. After doing this, go to the second step. For that, you just need to click on start menu, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. In this you need to type these two commands one by one. Yes. You can see SC space delete space VGK. Press Ctrl plus V key and hit enter. Copy the same second command. Press Ctrl V to paste and hit enter. You can see it's showing open service failed because I have not installed the Valorant, so it's showing like that. After doing that, just close this window, then do the third method. For that, if trying all these options, if still it is not working, then try the third and final method. For that, you just need to click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. Here you need to select as category. In this you can see your programs. Click on uninstall a program. In this you need to find Valorant. Just right click on that and click on uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your computer and reinstall it here. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error code VAN152 in your Valorant. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.